How to temporarily deactivate Facebook account. So if you want to deactivate your Facebook account temporarily, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, you need to go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon. Scroll down and go for settings and privacy and tap on settings. So once you're here on settings and privacy, you need to go for the first option, which is account center. Under account center, go for personal details. Under personal details, go for the account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation or deletion and choose the account that you would like to deactivate. And then tap on deactivate account and tap on continue. And if you have any pages related to your Facebook, then those pages will also be deactivated. So tap on continue and you need to enter your password. So if you want to deactivate, simply enter your Facebook password and then tap on continue and your Facebook account will be deactivated temporarily. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.